Hey, Coach Greg here, and today I'm gonna help you tone and sculpt your arms with these fat burning exercises. We're gonna start off with a couple warm-up exercises to really get our arms nice and loose, and then we're gonna jump into the main set. So here we go. First exercise, we have some arm swings, 30 seconds on, and let's get it. Purpose of these following exercises is just about warming up our body, getting our arms nice and loose, getting the blood flowing, because we're gonna be putting them through the ringer over the next few minutes. It is really stretched out. You should feel the stretch in your chest. When you're open this way, you should feel the stretch in your back, and then your arm's gonna feel nice and good. Alrighty. We're gonna move along into elbow circles. We're gonna focus on 30 seconds, one arm, 30 seconds the next. Trust me, you're gonna wanna make sure you take your time to feel nice and stretched. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's get it. I just like to put one hand underneath my elbow, and I get my full rotation. I like to go 15 seconds one way, and then when I feel like it, I switch to the other side, like now. The goal of this is really make sure we're getting our arm through the full flexion. We're gonna be doing, like I said, a lot of arm exercises, so I wanna make sure our elbows, our joints, our shoulders, everything feels good. Sometimes add some of these in there. Alrighty, now we're gonna switch to our other arm in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Again, I like to grab my elbow, put it through full rotations. We do not want to get injured. We don't want to just be throwing ourselves into strenuous exercise without doing the proper warm-ups. You may think it's slow right now, but oh boy, you wait. Switch sides, directions I should say. There it is. Doing amazing. Honestly, this enough is good for me. We can go home, we can pack it up. Alrighty, last warm-up exercise, we have just a tricep stretch. Couple seconds, and let's get it. All I like to do is just grab behind my elbow. I really like pull, and you should feel the stretch all up in your shoulder, all down your tricep. We're just gonna do 30 seconds one arm, 30 seconds the next, and just breathe into it. We are focusing on toning and sculpting our arms, and this is how I do it, so you can do it however way you like to, but for me, this works for me, so it should work for you too. Alrighty, last arm. Fill your arms a little bit, and let's get this last tricep going, and then we can jump into it. Make sure you're breathing. Alrighty, right after this, we're gonna jump into our main set. We have a few exercises for you. We are gonna be going right after the other. Feel free to take a break if you need to, but see what you could do. Push yourself. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, release. Stretch it. We are gonna get right into our main set. We got a few exercises here. We're gonna start off with some monkey pumps. Monkey pumps, you know your elbows, 90-degree angle. You're here, palms together, and then you're overhead like this. And let's get it. Pull it here, up, over. Just like this. Get a nice rhythm. Try to keep your elbows as high as you can. If you can get to your eyebrows, great. Just like this. I like to have a strong, stable base. Sometimes it helps to have my knees a little bent and really screw my feet into the ground. And make sure you're breathing. And down. Great job. I know you're already feeling it. You're feeling it. Don't worry, we got a lot more. We have IYTs coming up. Again, feet shoulder width apart. I like to have a hinge for my hips, and I'm going into an I, bringing my arms up to a front raise, then bringing them down, and then we get into our Y. 45-degree angle, really extend with your fingertips, and then we get into a T, just like that. I, Y, and T. Let's get it. Name of the game is suck your belly button into your spine and really extend with your fingertips. And down. Great job. Moving along, we have unicorn taps. Similar position, core tight, feet screwed into the ground. We are just gonna be taking the back of our hands and tapping it over our head like this. Except for a unicorn. This is, you're really gonna feel it in your triceps. Again, really extend as far as you can. Looks kind of silly, but people aren't gonna be laughing when they see your arms. They're like, dang, you got some nice tone and sculpted arms. How'd you get that? And you say, unicorn taps, no big deal. And down. Great job, shake them out. Next, we have some lateral pulses. Stand up nice and tall. We want our arms extended out in front of us, or should I say to the side. We're gonna do some lateral pulses in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Try to stay in this pocket right here. We don't wanna collapse our arms down. We don't wanna be too high. Somewhere right here. Again, really extend with your fingertips. I know your arms may be burning right now, but we ain't done yet. Really extend, breathe. Feel the burn. There it is, come on. And down, great job. Last exercise for set number 1, we have some shoulder rotators. Similar to the monkey pumps position, we want our arms in a 90-degree angle. And here we go. We're just gonna focus on rotating forward, just like this. Try to keep your arms above 90 degrees. We don't wanna drop them down here. I mean, you can, but you won't be working up as much tension as you'd like. So here we go. Just like this. You're feeling it all up in your triceps, you're feeling it in your shoulders, but there shouldn't be any pain. If you're feeling pain, then go more to a 45-degree angle here. That way you're still getting the results that you want. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job, first set done. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. IYT, 3, 2, 1, go. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder rotators, 3, 2, 1, go. IYT, 3, 2, 1, go. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder rotators, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. 3 sets down. Let's finish off with some cool down exercises. We're gonna start off with some arm shakeouts for 30 seconds, and here we go. All it is, I like to hinge from my hips and I just let my arms dangle and I just shake out my arms. I know it seems stupid, but trust me, it feels so good after doing a bunch of these fat burning exercises on our arms. Shake them out here. Let them be like limp noodles. Trying to shake the lactic acid out of them. There it is. Think of it as a reward for all the work you just put in. Great job. Last, we're gonna do some wrist circles, even though we didn't use them as much, but again, we want to make sure we are, going our full range of motion with our whole body. So all we're gonna do is take your hands here, make a fist. We're just gonna rotate over, just like this. If you want, if you don't feel like holding your arms up here, you can do them down here. I know your arms are tired. And then we're gonna switch directions. Just like this, slow down your breathing. No, we put you through it. Great job. Thank you so much for letting me help you tone and sculpt your arms with these fat burning exercises. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Go ahead, if you haven't already, just click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from all us coaches here at Sculpt. I will see you in the next video, my friend. Stay strong and peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.